Let's talk about the real deal, the truth, really what it takes to create passive income. If you guys have been following my channel, I talk a lot about financial freedom. What financial freedom is the ability to have your assets passively pay for your personal liabilities. What's up guys, Steve at Steve Invest, helping real estate agents, brokers, as well as real estate investors grow their businesses and grow their wealth with a path toward financial freedom. Now there are many ways to create passive income. You can own, say, real estate, for example. You could create an ebook. You can start a YouTube channel like this one. You could build a blog with affiliate links. Now I think a lot of people are attracted to the phrase passive income. I mean, I watch some of these guys on YouTube and they talk about passive income as if you're gonna press a button, you're gonna wake up at 3 a.m. and find several thousands of dollars in your bank account that was not there several hours before. Now at the end of the day, it's just not reality. However, passive income is incredible. So let's put all the bullshit aside and talk about exactly how passive is passive income. Well, let's take an example of a video that I did about buying mobile homes with no money. Now, once the system is executed, you will in fact create passive income with minimal work. But what most people don't talk about is how much work is involved to get you to that point. You're going out on a daily basis and you're scouting out mobile home parks. You're scouting out owners of the actual mobile home structures. You're negotiating with them. You're going through and you're previewing these to find out how much money it's going to cost to put these into rentable, suitable, safe conditions. You're prepping that unit. You're fixing it up. You're scouting, trying to find tenants. You're doing the background checks and everything for the tenants. You're doing the execution of lease, and in the instance that that tenant that's in place isn't paying their rent, you're tracking them down for rent payments. You're even possibly going through the eviction process as well. So there's a lot of work involved. So as you can see with any of these passive income paths, there is a level of work that has to be implemented and executed before you get to that point of just sleeping and money being deposited in your bank account. If you have millions and millions of dollars in the bank and you put that into certain funds or certain stocks and so forth, yes, you can sit back, put that money there, you can sit back and collect these checks that are gonna come in off of dividends. But for the rest of us that do not have necessarily very much money or money at all, there's gonna be a level of work that has to actively and aggressively be implemented before you can even consider collecting these passive income checks. You know, if you are working a full-time job, you can do a lot of this stuff on the side. Now, if you are interested in creating passive income for yourself, here is my biggest suggestion. There are a lot of ways to create passive income. Again, there's going to be a level of work that has to be implemented, but there are a lot of different ways to create passive income. What I want you to do is go ahead and research all the different ways to create passive income and then pick one, only one, to focus in on, research everything, watch every video on YouTube that you can possibly watch, buy any ebooks or books off of Amazon, research right now, and then literally tonight or tomorrow start implementing the strategies to begin. I can tell you, once you begin the strategies, for example, even starting this YouTube channel, there are ways of making passive income from this channel, but the learning process, the learning curve really starts to happen when you're actually doing it. So once you start doing it, then you're gonna run into roadblocks where you're gonna have to research more on exactly what specific roadblocks you have to get through to get to the next level in your passive income strategy. As time progresses, I'm gonna put out more and more videos on exactly what we're doing over here to create passive income. And if you guys do like this video and you actually want to check out one of them, which is the buying mobile home parks or buying mobile homes with no money down, you can go ahead and check out that video next. I do appreciate the support, and if you guys enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks a lot.